Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm going to try to finish the next to the last leg here of Long Way Home by Joe Carter. Um, I'm going to take off. We are in down here in Natal, Brazil. Go to B1, weather. We already have poor. Poor. We had poor weather is 5 and day is 6. Still good weather. We'll take off. Oh, not bad. 2, that's a good takeoff. Take off okay. Go to C. We're going to move 1, 2, 3. We're going to go to 34, low altitude. Random event. 97, we got a random event. These have sucked. A 7. Radio failure. Radio has failed and is inoperable. Repair attempt may be made while flying if a spare parts unit is available. Roll 1 die 10. We do have a part. Um, screw it. Let's roll it. Doesn't say when. Success, radio repaired and functional. Remove that spare part. Alright, so the radio's back up. Back to C. Weather check. Day and good, so low is 0. 4, good. Medium will be day and poor, that's +2. 10, that's bad. And high is +2, bad. Well, I guess we're flying low. We'll risk crashing into the mountains. Altitude level change, going to stay where we're at. We're going to be using rich fuel mix. Headwind, low altitude day is, we're going to just roll for in 0, no headwind. This is an RDF area. 7, cruise altitude, we're low, -4 boxes. We got no headwind this time. We're going to pop off 4 boxes. 8, engine check. 26, engines are okay. Nav check 8. -3 is 5. 4, 3, 2, we're fine. No enemy, but we do got to check for a mountain collision. -1 of day, -1 of good, -1 of blue, that's -3. We roll a 6. No collision safe, go to C1. Go to 35, no RDF. Three more hours. Random event. 08, no random event. Weather check. It'll be -1 +1 for low. That's 6, still good. Medium is bad, that's +2, and day is +3. That's 4, that goes to good. Good recovery there. and then +3 for high, 9, poor. So, alright, it looks like we're moving up. We're going to move up, -1, go to medium, go back down to lean, get our pieces to follow us. Cruise altitude headwind, we're daylight, so we're going to add 1, 3, 4, no headwind again. Cruise altitude medium, burn 3 fuel. Engine checks, 49, no problem with the engines. Nav check, 8, and this is a non-RDF. So we're gonna be lost, I believe. 8, 6, 5, maybe not. We're on course, no extra fuel burned. And we're medium now, so we don't have to worry about rolling for mountains. Next travel zone will be 36. 3 more hours. Random event, 32. Weather check, good, and day, 0. For first 2, low, good, medium, good. High will be +2, good. Alright, non-RDF again. Altitude level change, stay where we're at. Cruise altitude headwind, 8. We're going to get a headwind. Fuel burn, medium, and a headwind, so we drop 4. Engine check, 03, all engines are okay. 3, nav's okay. We don't burn any extra fuel. And we're medium, so we don't have to worry about mountains, and we don't have to worry about enemy. So we go to C1, 37. Move 3 hours. 7 o'clock, we're at nighttime. Random event, 45, no random event. Weather check, -1, -2. Low is 4, medium is 5, and 6 for high. All stay good. Gonna stay where we're at. Roll for a headwind. 6, 5, no headwind. Fuel burn, medium, 3. Engine check, 03, engines are fine. Nav check, 3, we're fine, don't get lost. Go to C1. Move to Port of Spain. 3 more hours. 10 o'clock. Random event, 12, no random event. Weather check, we're going to be -1, -2 for each, starting at low, good, medium, good, high, good. Altitude level change, stay where we're at. Headwind, 10, we're going to have a headwind. Fuel burn, 3, +1 for the headwind is 4. Engine check, 36, engines are fine. Nav check, 8. And this is not an RDF. But we do get down to here, 4, 5. So we're still good. Going to go to D1. Good weather for landing. Going to land. 6, Landing's okay. I'm not going to worry about, well, we don't have to roll for that because it's Pan American route, Port City. We're going to go ahead and fill up. That takes 6 hours. Change day to the 11th. We don't have to repair anything as we repaired our radio. Okay. We're not going to bother gambling. We have nothing to gamble with, and we're not going to work. We're just going to go ahead and depart. And that's only 10 minutes in. We're going to try and do that final leg. So, the weather on takeoff. -1 for night. And it's good. That's -2. 8, 7, 6. Good weather for takeoff. We take off, okay. Go to C1. Move to 38, which is an RDF. Move 3 hours, go to daylight. Random event, 90. We have no random event. Weather check, -1, +1. So we have 0 for all three. Low is 6, good. Medium is poor. High is bad. So we're going to go up to medium, drop the fuel. Headwind, 10, of course we do. We'll worry about that later. I did forget to do that a couple of times. I'm going to move a couple of hours. Keep forgetting on headwind to advance time an hour. Cruise altitude, fuel burn, -3, -4. Engine check, 87. Engines are fine. Nav check, 10. 7 for RDF. 6 for day. If we get lost, we burn an extra fuel and we burn an extra hour. And we're at medium, so we don't have to worry about anything else. Go to C1. Move to 39. No RDF. Three more hours. Random event, 37, no random event. Weather check, +1, -1 is 0 for low. 2 stays good. +1 day, +1 poor. Medium is 5, that stays good, or goes to good. And then high is +3. 7, 8, 9, 10 stays bad. We're going to stay right where we're at. Check for a headwind. 7. Get a headwind again. Drop that hour. Keep forgetting to do that. Engine check. 36. Engines are fine. Nav check. 6 with no RDF. We got good weather all the way down. It goes to 4. 3 for day so we don't get lost. Go back to C1. 1, 2, 3. We're in the nighttime again. Oh, no. I get backwards sometimes. Not in the nighttime again. And we move to 40. Getting close. Can almost feel it now. Random event. 26. No random event. Weather check. +1 for day, -1 for good. Low, 4, good weather. Medium, 6, good weather. +3 for high. 7, poor weather. So it got a little better up there. I'm going to stay medium anyway. Headwind check. 1, no headwind. Good. So we don't drop an hour this time. Fuel burn, medium, -3. 1, 2, 3. Engine check. 28. Engines are fine. Nav check, no RDF. 6. 5, 4. 3. We're on course, no extra time. Go to C1. 41. 1, 2, 3 hours to 8 p.m. Random event. 54, no random event. Weather check. We are now at night and good, so -2 for low. 4 is fine. Medium. 4, 2, both are good. And for high, +1, -1 is 0. 6 goes to good weather. Altitude level, I'm going to stay where I'm at. Roll for a headwind. 8. -1 is 7. We have a headwind. Move an hour. Engine check. 14, we're fine. 9, nav check. Forgot to do fuel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 for medium, 1 for the 4. On course. Yes, we're going to stay on course because of all that. So we don't burn any extra. We go to C1 again. I don't know how I keep skipping that fuel burn. Today I'm really bad on that. We move to 42. Do 3 hours. Change the date to the 12th. Random event. 77, no random event. Weather, -1 for night. All 3 are good, so we're going to subtract 2 for all of them. Low is good. Medium's good. High is poor. We're going to stay in medium. Rolling for a headwind. 10, we get another headwind. Drop another hour. 7, altitude, we're going to subtract 4. For fuel, and that should be lean. It is. Engine check. 49, we're fine. 9, nav check. 7, no RDF again, but we have good weather down. Goes to 5. 6, 7, 8. Off course. Burn a fuel. Lose an hour. Movement time. 3 hours. Go to 43. That's an RDF. Random event. 88. No random event. Weather check. We are now still nighttime. -1, -2. Low altitude 2. Medium is 6. That's both are good. High is poor and night 0. 9 stays poor. Going to maintain our altitude. Roll for a headwind 3. No headwind present. 7 fuel burn. We're going to subtract 3. Engine check. 55. No problem there. Nav check 110. That's we're going to be fine there. -3 for RDF. -2 for weather. +1 for night. +2 for purple. Doesn't matter. They'll counteract that 3 stands. We don't get lost. Travel movement and time advance. We pull into New York. 3 hours. Random event. 17. No random event. Weather check. Daylight and good. +1, -1 equals 0. 6 for low is good. 3 for medium is good, and we're going to be +2 for high weather. 10, that goes to bad. All right, I'm going to stay where we're at. Cruise altitude headwind 2, +1 is 3. No headwind. Keep forgetting to do that too. Fuel burn -3. Take that out of the sponson. 8, engine check. 99, engine trouble occurs. Roll 1d4. 2, number of 2 engines affected. If it's undamaged, roll a d10. 2, engine damaged. Number 2 engine is damaged. Nice. Now we had to have one over the landing zone. Nav check 3. No RDF. Good weather all the way down is 1, 0. We're not getting lost, so we don't burn any extra fuel. We will go to D1. We'll be landing in good weather. 5. We land okay, and that is New York. So we managed to land January 12th at 8 o'clock in the morning. We've managed to make it through. 3 engines going, no money in our pockets. Still had a decent amount of fuel yet. I was worried about that because we didn't do so well when we crossed the Atlantic over here. That stretch right there was tough. But all right, that's it. Nice leg for the Homeward Bound. I probably skipped something on that. It went a little quick, but that's my replay of The Long Way Home by Joe Carter. A nice, fun game where you try to keep your resources and everything, and fight the almighty dice, because the dice will get you. But you see how hairy it can get. Once we hit the Pan American ports, it got real easy because you no longer have to worry about money to pay for fuel and bad fuel. So things got real simple then. So thanks for joining me on this replay. Let Joe know what you think of the game. Like and subscribe my channel if you'd like it, and you all have a great day.